Hi guys, welcome. Today, Alicia Harris with Harris Home Realties, brokered by Nexus One Properties. I have Greg Hamby and Nancy Rodriguez of Your Favorite Lender Pro, and we're just going to do a deep dive into some things that concern potential home buyers and talk about loans and things like that. So stay tuned. So thanks again, guys, for joining me. We were talking about some opportunities for investor loans.
Yeah, so we have a lot of options. DSCR is, more well known now. It's more popular. We could do a refinance, a rate and term to get somebody out of, say, a hard money loan or a private money loan that's a high interest rate.
Okay.
We can do a cash out if they have a lot of equity. But a purchase is also a great idea, right?
Absolutely.
In case somebody doesn't know what that is, the home qualifies. We do have to pull your credit. You do have to prove that you have the down payment money and closing costs, and in some cases also a 6 months reserve, maybe for the payment, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. But the home qualifies based on what it would rent out for compared to the new total monthly payment on the property.
That's awesome.
So traditionally, those are 20% down. We do have a couple of lenders that we work with that will allow for 15% down. Also, traditionally, you have to own your own home, the one that you're living in. I do have some lenders that will let you be a first-time investor and you don't own your own home.
Wow.
So that's very unusual. You are going to have to show like your lease agreement or something to kind of prove that you're not buying the home to move into, because that's always been the concern. Loan fraud. Like, hey, the house qualifies, the renter is going to basically pay. Well, if you're moving into the home, there is no renter,
right?
So that's what they're trying to avoid there. And then we have specifically for investors, we have ground up construction, we have bridge loans, and we have fix and flip loans. Very cool. We have a lender now. Those are usually 10% down. We have a specific lender that if your credit score is high enough and you have experience as an investor, can actually do 7% down. And they will finance 100% of the renovations.
That is blowing my mind. I mean, I knew that, they finance the renovation,
right,
but 7% down and 100% of the renovation is top tier.
Right?
Like, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, so hopefully that could help somebody out there.
Yeah. You were saying you were telling us about some clients that you had.
Oh, yeah. I have investor clients that are always looking to do different things. I know that one was specifically looking for the DSCR loan, but he's not ready to move just yet, and he might be a potential seller. So, but yeah, I work with clients all over. Since I'm from California, I have a lot of people in California that are looking to purchase here, investment properties, and so yeah, we can help them out.
Yes,
yeah,
definitely,
absolutely,
awesome,
great.
Thanks, Alicia.
Thank you.